going backwards? You're going backwards. These two tires got to fall loose, and you'll go right over. You got it, right there. Okay, watch out. He's gonna go this way. Here. Put this front tire over here. That boulder in the middle, you'll come together.
Hey, are those 38s?
Yeah.
You the man. You got it. No fucking problem. I love those tires.
Yes, sir. Yo, right there. Right there.
Driver.
Come me and just get on this one over here. Lock doesn't turn. Can you move? Just go kind of slow. There you go. Just gotta, yeah, but it's hard though. I would say try and make it best
You got assist. What pump you got?
Stop.
You got to talk to John about that.
If you start to pull hard right, stop and do it over again because you'll just get right back to chamber. Yeah. You'll come over now, man. You'll never get over that.
Back up. There you go. There you go. You got it. You got it. There you go.
Can I make it to the top of that? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you got coming back.
There you
Hard
go.
drive.
Perfect.
And then straight ahead.
Just stay driving down this one.
Straight ahead.
Your front right, go off that boulder. Get in.
A little bit more passenger now. Work your way out passenger.
Go there. Back up.
Ah, so close.
Back up a little bit.
So close.
Okay, right there.
Bump it up that and then run
Slow.
passenger.
Driver.
Back up ahead, passenger. Two more inches. Back up 2 inches. Okay.
So I'm gonna try to
Walk up it. Walk right the fuck up it.
straight. You driver, passenger. Straight. You
Right where you're at, walk up it.
Stop right there. Stop right there. Jake, put a rock on his back right wheel.
Yeah, hey.
And she'll go up.
Yes, sir. Got it?
It's just barely tapping the spring. Hold it there.
Yeah, so they okay.
See where you were going. Go up now.
I missed it by like. You need to bring it past, back it up faster, bring it over further to the left.
Yeah.
I'm like, man, I barely missed it, you know.
You want to start over?
So
That fucking bullet's big, man.
Back up a hair more. 6 more
you
inches.
know,
Turn that
a
one.
lot of people are like, oh man, what?
There you go. Okay. Walk it.
A little more driver.
Straight ahead. Where you're at. Driver. Feel it lifting. Then you can go a little bit passenger. Go ahead. Follow it. See what we got. Back up again. Let's try it again. Put a rock in there.
Right there. Can you come this way? Those two.
Right there.
Gotta hit that building. Come up. Jake, watch out, Jake.
I'll walk right up there.
Yeah.
Back tire goes up. Go passenger.
There you go.
Back it up.
Driver.
Tie rod. Back it up and go hard passenger. Back it up, driver.
Turn your rear driver.
You're going the right way.
Watch out, Jake.
I'm good. I'm good.
Your back tire's on the one, and you'll
There you go. more back, Jerry.
You're good, man. You're good. You're good.
You're good. You'll make it.